By now, many of you are used to changing the size of a brush that you're working with in Photoshop, let's say the rubber stamp, by using the brackets on the keyboard. The left bracket to scale down and the right bracket to scale up. I'm going to show you a new technique, new to Photoshop CS4, using a keyboard combination that allows you to do the same thing, and you can also get a preview as to the area you're going to affect. Now, as you see, I have the rubber stamp tool selected, and what I can do, instead of using the bracket keys or going to this little pop-up and then choosing a diameter and then moving my mouse out here to preview that diameter, I'll go ahead and reduce that and show you that this is another way you can check the size of the brush before you actually paint. I'm going to hit escape. Is what you're going to do on your keyboard is hold down the Alt and Control or Option and Control and then drag your mouse left or right. And now I get an interactive preview as to the area I'm going to be painting. Now the really cool thing about this is because I'm using a soft brush, look at the fall off inside of the brush itself. It's pretty hard in the middle, but it gets softer and softer as it reaches the edges, as per the specifications of the brush, because I'm using a soft brush. And look at this when I let go of the mouse. Look how big that actually gets on the screen. I'm going to actually choose a hard brush this time, and I'll do the same thing. See the difference? Now I have no fall off, and it's just a hard brush. And when I let go, that's exactly what I'm going to be painting with. So once again, it's a really nice new shortcut. I think once you get used to that little crazy combination of either the Alt and Option and the Control key, you're going to find that you're going to use that quite a bit so that you can see exactly the brush you're going to be dealing with and make a lot better painting choices when you use the tools. So it works with pretty much all the brush tools. You can use the clone tools, and once again you can change the type of brush you're working with, and instead of having to do this, just go ahead and use the shortcut, move your mouse left and right and change the size of the brush, and then you can paint. So it's really, I think, even faster than using the brackets. I can keep my two fingers next to those keys and paint, hold those down, change the size of the brush, and move on.